love it, the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead, envy me. I'm Rap's MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me. Either the love it, the underdog.
We're gonna bring you guys into the PPF course today.
Stop, go ahead, envy me. I'm Rap's MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me.
What up, guys? There he is. Say hi to the star of the show over here. What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We have the infamous Cybertruck in the shop. When I got my first Cybertruck coming into the, for us to work on, I was a little nervous. It was the first time I had seen one. I didn't know how to price these things. Now that we've done multiple Cybertrucks, we realize how quick and how easy they are to work on. So we're blowing through these things pretty quick and very affordable. So client came in, full body PPF along with window tint. This is about a 2 to 3 day job to get it all done. PPF's gonna get laid down in a super unique color. You've never seen a Cybertruck look like this one before. Let's go.
6 pounds of chronic on my grandma coffee table. That's how you remember it. That's how I remember it.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Zach behind me. We got this brand new Cybertruck. I think that the easiest part about installing PPF is that it's wet apply. So I don't have to really lift the film up and struggle trying to get wrinkles and things like that out. The water behind it gives me the ability to just push the film up, squeegee it all out, and it's just much easier process to install overall. It takes a bit longer to get the edges done just because it's wet, so we gotta let it cure, let it dry, and then we can go over it, torch it up with the heat gun, send it on its way. Bam! As you can see, another Spectre behind us. We actually worked on this one a couple months ago. So the client originally came in for a chrome delete, window trims, door handles, panel on the back, and then they finally decided to take my advice and do the grill. So, the one thing that they left off was doing the grill, and I get it, the iconic chrome grill on the Rolls Royce. A lot of people don't want to mess with it, but it looks really good when it's blacked out. So it's back today. We're gonna remove the grill. In order to do that, we gotta remove the bumper, and then we gotta take the grill into multiple pieces here. So all of these have to come off. Got a plane flying over. Look at that thing, it's huge, bro. Back to it, we're gonna remove the grill, we're gonna black it out, put it back together. Very short deadline, has to be delivered on Monday. Today's Friday. It's not like it's a long deadline or a short deadline, but got the weekend. I wanna let these guys have a little bit of time off, but I gotta go break the news real quick.
Yeah. Since 9-5, mama been working 9-5. And I know the landlord fed up with our lies. So we pray to the guys, the jobs, and the Allahs to keep us safe and watch our lives. Cause all we trying to do is do good. Put on my hood when I walk through hoods. Cause these niggas these days is local. You get it in your vocals if you ain't a local. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to go global. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to be a mogul. I'm hopeful that me spitting this soulful will have me in the daily postal, flying coastal, eating tofu. Like I told you, I know niggas who trash rapping, worry about the trending fashions rather than the sending passion. They want me to send them checks, but I just send them laughing. Right after I start laughing, they start asking what happened.
Not only did we do the roof in the gloss PPF, we actually also did the antenna in the gloss PPF, which is just gonna be that touch that nobody really does. And Zach wrapped it.
Yes,
How
sir.
was this to wrap?
Actually, it was pretty easy, because this is all I do.
Speak a little louder, dog. Speak a little louder.
It was actually pretty damn easy because this is literally all I do all day long. So we're specialists here at Premium OC. Check it out.
When your medical fuck you up in the decimal, so get you 2 to 3 for residue found in your retinue. And they
Gloss black PPF, that's something we really specialize in here, considering, everybody inquires us. Everybody, how do you say that? We get a lot of inquiries for gloss black roofs, and gloss black PPF is the way to go. So we got this dialed in on the M2. Beautiful spec, HRE wheels, it's lowered to perfection, beautiful fitment. So final touch was just a nice gloss black roof, nice sleek look. It's paint-like finish. So I can't emphasize that enough. So the client's on the way, he's gonna be stoked. We went above and beyond with the antenna, the little trims on the side, the roof rails, that's all PPF. So no wrap, no nothing. 100% PPF, 100% PPF, 100% PPF. I can't wait to see him when he comes. He's on the way, so let's wait for the guy.
What's up, guys? I'm Tommy, owner of this M2 here. Moved about to Orange County about 2 years ago now. You know, just been looking around the shops. Found a premium OC. Took care of me, man. Love them. Cars looking beautiful. So definitely recommend premium OC. Hit them up.
What up, guys? So we're here with this Pista today, another day at Premium. As you can see, I have some of these parts organized so that we don't get cluttered. Organization is your #1 friend when it comes to working on these expensive cars. Last thing you want to do is break apart, be finding or looking for stuff last minute. So organization is everything.
But it seems they are all on the same mission. You wanna find somebody you trust and lay low. If you can't stand the heat of my love and stay out the kitchen.
4x4 G-WAGON, guys. We're ready to go mudding with this. We got the side steps taken off. We're going to go ahead and color match them to the bull bar. That's satin black. Once we finish up that, we're gonna go ahead and throw in some MB forged wheels with some big beefy ass tires. That's gonna look dope. Over here, we got the Pista. Just know that when I'm working on these whips, I'm focused, okay? Gotta make sure that everything's done right. No broken bolts, no strip bolts. Like, this is a vehicle that you wanna take care of. So at the end of the day, whatever's done to this vehicle, I cherish it as if it were my own. So I need to make sure that everything's done proper on this vehicle. But just look at it. Look at the spec. We got the nice, like, really deep blue color. We're going ahead and doing a full front, kind of like track package PPF on the car. This is the exact reason you should come to Premium. We take things apart so that the job can seem seamless. That's essentially what we're providing our customers, is a seamless job, so that when they come up to this vehicle and say, oh my God, like, this is such a refined product, and I love it. So when they love it, and we love our customers here at Premium.
And little tiny hairs that, like,
What are you talking about, Zach? What are you talking? What are you
I'm just explaining to Roger, PPF.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give him a little course right now.
YouTube would love to know.
He's not too busy, so I guess we're gonna bring you guys into the PPF course today. Got the Pista. Gonna do the hood right now. We're gonna show my boy Roger here how he can make some money.
Roger, who are you? What are you trying? What are you to Premium, Roger?
I'm the most important person in Premium right now. Nice. Better than all of them. No, I'm just just trying to learn everything. Be someone special, important here.
I love it. I love it. Good energy. Good energy. Zach, PPF God.
I think that, like, when the paint is just like one straight color, like there's no special like flakes in it, or it's not metallic, especially like darker colors, they tend to be a lot more difficult to PPF install, just because, like, you can make blemishes a lot easier. And if I need to, like, lift up the film at any point to spray some more tack in there, sometimes it'll, like, leave a little, like, stretch line, stuff like that. So it just makes it a little bit more difficult to, like, make it perfect. That's why you got to do it right the first time, though, because if at any point you have any issues, usually it's going to increase, like, the time to get the install done by, like, sometimes twice as long, 3 times as long. If you're, like, fighting to, like, get dirt out, or you're trying to, like,
yeah, I saw you spraying the air. You sprayed the air, you sprayed the bodies.
Yeah, so like, there's always dust in the air. We usually have the doors wide open, so when we spray the air, it kind of like grabs onto the dirt that's in the air, and then it brings it down to the floor. Because we're gonna peel the PPF right now, and we don't want, as we're peeling it, there's a lot of static, and we don't want the dirt to come just suck right down onto the PPF.
Makes a lot of sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once you get this laid down on here, there's like a time limit, bro, practically. We gotta get this done as quick as possible because dirt's slowly getting inside, and also the water is starting to leak out from in here. And as it's leaking out, it's gonna automatically start tacking to the panel. And we don't want that. We don't want it to tack until we're ready to squeegee it out. See, it's already sticking. There we go. Put it up a little bit. Film to move around. And then what I like to do is I'll tack it a little bit up here, and then I'll leave like a little bit of room so I can do this corner really quick, because I like to create like pre-tension on the corners. I learned a lot of that from like color PPF. It just makes like the corners want to automatically just lay down inside deeper, and I don't have to like worry about like messing around with it at the end a lot.
Lines, bustin' like she's single, she ain't wasting no time.
Right behind me, guys, is our Porsche 911 Turbo S, lowered to perfection. KW springs, MV forged mesh style wheels, custom color, custom spec for this vehicle. Everything's custom. But look at this. This looks absolutely nuts. We're gonna take it for a test drive, make sure the make sure the springs, we're gonna try to settle them as much as we can before it gets sent off back to, I don't know, back to the garage. But yeah, this looks crazy. You'll catch cinematics of this in the near couple minutes. But yeah, not too shabby.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us.
So, this is the G63. This is the G63 4x4 squared. I would do this thing where I get a G-WAGON every 6 months and get rid of it because they're so uncomfortable, at least for me to drive, my back. For whatever reason, this is the most comfortable one I've ever driven. Anyway, so for Exodus, my other company, the color's red. I love the color red. So all the stickers is coming off for our trade shows, TPE and Champs, and we're putting huge stickers, like obnoxious stickers on each side for one of our brand names. And then the railing is off, getting powder coated black, and the exhaust is off, getting powder coated black. So we'll do that final, we'll get it ready to go for TPE and Champs. And most importantly, and what I'm really excited to do is MV forged wheels are done. So the stance is gonna be absolutely insane. Once you see this, you can't unsee it. Meaning, once I show this to you, this car looks not good without it. In the next couple of days, it looks just badass. Now it's gonna go to Vegas for a few weeks and be out there for my trade shows, and then it's gonna come back and we're gonna rewrap it a really fire color.
Well, we're gonna
really
wrap it, not rewrap. This is the paint.
Oh, sorry, this is paint. Yeah, we're gonna wrap
it.
Well, we're gonna take those stickers
people
off.
think this is wrap.
I think it's wrap, yeah. So we're gonna take it off, wrap it a crazy color. But yeah, it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, we got the what is it? G550 squared?
G63 AMG.
It's the square body G-Wagon. This was my project for the day. What we did was we got the 24s mounted on some 37-inch tires. We also powder coated the side steps. You see here, these are all satin black along with the exhaust tips. And that was all done just to go with those wheels. And I think it really completed the look. You know, the factory satin red, the carbon fiber, and the satin black accents all the way through. It doesn't get any better than this. All of this is happening right here at Premium. We do it all in-house. We have a good relationship with AL13. We also worked with 714 Tires to get the tires mounted, which they did a great job. So again, this is like, if you have this type of vehicle and you want to go crazy with it, you bring it over here to Premium, and this is what you can get. You're looking at probably maybe about 18 grand to do something like this. You know, you're gonna spend some money. These wheels are not cheap, along with the tires, but look at it. I mean, the overall presence on the road. Let's go for a drive.
I love it though. You know? Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love Jesus, but you done learned a lot from Satan.
I mean, a nigga did a lot of waiting. We ain't married, but tonight I need some consummate.
And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. In this vlog, you've seen basically what a week is like here at Premium. We got the Pista done, we got the M2 done, we got the Rolls Royce completed, a Tesla Plaid. So there's a bunch of stuff in this vlog. I probably missed something, but want to thank you guys for getting to the end. If you made it here, please drop a comment below. Say what up to us. We comment back. Test us. Try it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit us up on Instagram, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Out.